Hey Undiluted folks, welcome again to another video, and today we are going to discuss about this problem that I keep having, and I think I finally found a solution. I tried to uninstall this Bonjour whatever thing is. It's the DLL link essentially, but I was unsuccessful. Now I've done some research because it went away for like 2 days, then came back, I deleted again, came back. And now I think I'm gonna try it again. Hopefully this time I'm making this video that I don't have to repeat it again, because I made a video earlier which I will put right after this one to see what I did before and why the problem came back, or rather that solution didn't work, and I'm hoping this one today is going to work. So what are we going to be doing today? We're going to be solving this issue about this module is blocked from loading into the local security authority, and it gives you a file to delete the DLL on there, the mdnsNSP.dll, dynamic link libraries for Windows users who don't understand what I'm talking about. But if you know what I'm talking about, yeah. Obviously, you can come here and choose do not show this message again, but that doesn't solve the issue, does it? Now, let me say a little bit or talk about what solutions I tried before. I tried to install iTunes because a lot of blogs said install iTunes on it and that should go away, but it didn't. I tried uninstalling it, that didn't work. So today we are going to use the registry service utility, or for those who are tech, it's called regserv32, which is a command line utility in Windows used to register and unregister DLLs. And I think also active controls, or, in the Windows registry. Basically, it helps you delete things, or not delete, register dynamic link libraries in Windows and unregister them. So I've been rambling. Let's get to the solution. So to use it, I already came up with these commands, so we're gonna try again. But basically, you use it by saying or typing reg service 32 /u to unregister. That's the command we're gonna be using today, and then we're gonna end with the service delete command. Okay, enough talking. Let's get to work. All right, so we got that. What we need to do is search for terminal and open that as administrator. So we got that, and then I'm just gonna copy in these commands here. But before I do that, let me show you what we are uninstalling. So if we go to program services or program files, excuse me, you'll find this folder called Bonjour. And in there, this is the file that we're trying to delete. And you can see that by reading the error message here. I can blow this out for you if you want. And it's telling us we need to go over here and delete it. But we're gonna do it both for System 32 and 64. So that's what we're deleting, this right here. All right, and then we're gonna delete the service. So now that you know what we're deleting, let's come over here. Let me get my command here. Hopefully I can copy it real quick. And then, boom, that's the command. The U stands for unregister. Okay, that's unregistered, succeeded, all right. And let's do one more for x86. I'll copy that and I'll just paste it there. Boom. We got that out the way. And now let's delete the service. Copy that and paste that. Success. So what do we do next? We're gonna reboot this computer and see if the issue comes back. So depending on what I see, if I reboot and the issue comes back, I'll make a video and ask for help from you guys, from the community. If I don't talk about it coming back, just know it's resolved. Okay? All right. So see you next time, I guess. Or see you in a little bit. Which one is it gonna be? I'm out, y'all. Actually, I'm gone. Wait, I do need to restart, don't I? Okay, alright, never mind. Let's restart this thing. Okay.